Hi my lovelies, now I wanted to talk about how you can get started with your gardening allotment journey for free. Firstly, collect all your food scraps, your garden cuttings, even if your friends or neighbours can help you out, leaves, all that sort of stuff, and create your own compost. If you can't do that, you can buy compost fairly cheaply, but that's the cheapest way to do it. It can take time to build up compost, but that's the cheapest way to do it. Then get containers such as old fruit pots, egg containers, loo rolls, all the stuff that you may have laying around home. Ask friends and family around to save it for you, save it going into landfill. And then put some of your lovely compost that you created. That's the start of compost, but put them in, fill it up, and then start collecting your own seeds from your own fruit and vegetables. You can do this. So chop them out. You can either dry them out or put them straight in. If they don't work when you put them straight in, that is going to give your compost a bit more nutrients. So don't worry, just keep trying and see what works for you. I like to dry them on tissues, etc. That's where these melon seeds come from, and they've grown amazingly. I've also doing some strawberries, tomatoes, cucumbers, just to name a few things that I'm doing from my own seeds and getting results. So it's cost me nothing to do that part of this, what I'm doing right now. And then you got to put them in some water, make sure you water them, and put them in a sunny place, i.e. a windowsill. So this is great for small spaces as well. Look at that. Hopefully we get some results, but it's all trial and error, and I'll put something else in if that doesn't work. Remember to like, subscribe and comment to join this journey.